Hi.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
How you feeling?
Good. It's beautiful. Just my face is a little chilly since it's 10 degrees.
Yeah, it's chilly.
But the rest of me is not chilly.
You look great.
Thanks. You too.
Thanks. Hancock Notch Trail is, it's been a while since we've been in here, but really pretty, especially in the winter. Never been here in the winter, but it's just a really nice meandering path through the notch. It's really, really pretty. And the conditions are great. Like, looks like everyone that's been through here has just been wearing snowshoes. A few post holes here and there, but for the most part, it's nice and packed down. We just made a mile in a little under a half hour, and that includes putting on our snowshoes. We don't really see any wildlife ever. We saw a porcupine once, a couple of spruce grouse, a deer. We did see a deer once. Other than that, I've yet to find the elusive moose. But this is the area that it looks like, if you look at the map, there'd be a ton of stealth campsites in here. So we said next time we're backpacking, might want to remember this area. First glimpse of where we're going, you can barely see it. That's Hancock, North Hancock, with the slide. That's Arrow Slide. Someday we'll climb it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not today.
Not today.
No, it still looks kind of far away.
True. Heading up to north. This is the steep part right here. This is pretty much the hike. Really steep. I remember coming through here before. It was super eroded. So it's nice that it's filled in with snow. It makes it a little bit easier. Definitely better views up here than normal.
That's gorgeous.
Oh yeah. Alright, after much deliberation, we decided we are going to go over to south. Luckily, there was a group of 5 people that just went over there and broke trail.
Right.
So we're gonna
get snowed on, so
we're bundled up. Alright, let's do it.
Doing great.
Having fun.
So to the left, we can, like, to the left and behind is Adams
Madison, Jefferson. Yeah.
It's definitely not easy.
That's Hancock right there. The Arrow Sled, great view of it. We were saying we're probably on like 5 feet of snow because this gets a ton of wind and it has been drifting. But have I mentioned it's hard work? I'm sinking into my waist in some spots. Summit of South Hancock.
Yeah,
That ridge walk, I remember liking it a lot better without snow.
definitely.
But we did have some good views. Oh, you got a
Chilly.
friend. One friend. The big kahuna. He ate some winter carbs.
So,
Sorry, dude. Did I insult you? I insulted him.
he looked away.
Yeah.
Yeah, the sun feels good.
Yeah.
Still cold. This is great.
Keep going. All right, we just finished the Hancock's snowshoe. We got to look it up, but I think it was probably our longest snowshoe that we've ever done. Jen was saying Cabot maybe, but we'll have to look at the
Close.
stats. I think it's close too. It was tough. We're a little bit out of practice with snowshoeing.
That was a long snowshoe. That was a long day.
Long day. 9.6 miles, 3,000 feet of elevation, and elapsed time, I don't even want to look. I think it was 8 hours or something like that.
Pretty close.
Yeah.
We were on the North Summit for a good half hour.
Yeah, it was beautiful. The Grey Jays
and
were up there, and
A variety of other stops, which was great.
yeah,
And rest for me going up the steep part.
yeah, that steep part. It's
I forgot it was that steep.
it seems steeper.
Overall, great day. Couldn't ask for better weather.
Yeah, it was perfect. Perfect day.
Sleep well tonight.
Yeah, that's for sure. Little vino and some nice sleep, nice dinner, and good sleep. Difficulty rating.
I give it a 9.
I concur. nine it is. Enjoyability.
10 plus.
10 plus. Top 5 day.
Great day.
Yeah. All right. Until next time. Who knows where it will be? Wherever the wind blows us.
We shall see.
Let's grab the Hancocks. We'll cut that one out.